Humayun Tomb gi changpham gi main gate. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nasidi week of first day ne nasina keno chale Humayun Purda. Humayun Tombs Isha Khan historical yeng bachatpane. Humayun Tombs yeng bakoi bala nasina ichanupa se aina mase general knowledge GK tambada yauba historical adagidi monuments mayam se angamba khara mayam cover to hanbige tawbane mama mapa khoina naha oiringai de icha se ko puba yaba adum akhunya arai leiba mafamda pubiba yaba adum habadi leidana ko India gi manungda foreign country mak natraga su India gi manungda general knowledge GK gi manungda yawa singje khara adum mawanda cover habadi tawhange tawbane masana chatlaga experience zum leihange na tawbane mase nasina Humayun Tomb ta leire mamangda Kutub Minar gishu thaga chagrabane Hujik se Delhi se yam saeba ko yam saraga su magi summer vacation laibane hujik se summer vacation laiye ado school su ka ba hodore school ka ba dagidi sangsu sangro ei cha se adagi exam su muk tawrani ai shu thabak chatpaga Delhi se historical gumba tombs gumba adagidi yam laye ko monuments gumba mayam se manungdane Isa Khan magi tombs ne hai moi thaina leigidaba singdo sida magi khubam moina thamba ko athakne loina malle maming mathaga amta thadre kenoda Google's the history gi pan habdi ai isamaksu khara di pajare aduga hena khangning ba ama pokle ebo ko aduna ai yumda chatlaga paraga ichanupa da tahange wari khara Google's tagi Humayun Tombs ki maramda adu shishina moigi khubam singdune bako sidana mapan leire huji akoina chamugo manungdo sigumba monument ki history oiba mayam se ai dum khara pamje ichanupa ju paba khotpa khangning base khara maunde interest oibako. So when I get back home, I'll just go through in Google and search about some Humayun tombs and share the story to my son. Mafam se am chawe huzik men tombs mafam da chatke sidagi sigi gate sidagi phaujalaga ko si main entrance ne songe se akoina sum nungsa saman bagi khara urum da chatke na thaira gi mafam se muslim gi oiba moi gi jati shingi mafam na anamba loina oibe gi type ta oiba ko historical tombs gumba laiba myam se ko Kutub Minar su adagi Taj Mahal oiro swaisina khara ing lawe ichanupa se magi khalaga sara su sana ko chatpane angang ji sabadi saine dursu angang je saba ingba je pak khangjade jara ko ado aina ngamigei mapana ngamigei di adum khoina pubiba ngamba leibiba ngamba mahonda takpiba haigadaba sing adum ngammi khai takpige pubige leibige na khanjabane ID. I'm a political science. I honors from political. Manungda kari no yam laye changdi changaroye nuaidre. So as I'm a political science student, I want to know more about history, civics. So I love to explore historical places as well. My son also do love to visit all the historical places. I'll try my best to take him more place where he can explore more about history, which is in general knowledge. And I'm also planning one day to visit Taj Mahal. So for visiting Taj Mahal, I need to take a 1 week break from my office. Visiting Taj Mahal is not easy from New Delhi because like I have kids and we all family need to travel, and I need a break from my office though. Like we cannot just visit in one day and come back in one day. We can, but we need to we want to explore more like Taj Mahal and Agra though. This is the main gate where we are visiting to Humayun Tomb. Humayun Tomb gi changpham gi main gate ne si se. Lam je am chao hai ba.
Taj Mahal.
No.
Taj Mahal बनाइए ने शेप से बनाइए.
Yam chao khate sida charaga kholaga thamami myam se. Mangda chapol ke ka pushan ba de ising de gi hena. Ado sigumba sigi sengdokte moi.
See language understand already.
Sina topane.
Human की shape तो हुई नहीं.
Yam chawe mafam se humang se yam saure. Sai yam na humang tangai re. Inga gadi nungai gadam ne. Loinamak shunas da ure. Koina nasai macha changakpade khoppadagi sigi main area sine bacha to is full map scale is here. Salaire main Humayun Tomb ising lairaga. Chan pas am nungai re sida. Humayun Tomb gi laire, the fountain se laire.
The green, this is the green color.
Sigi men tum se chang dringai da ngahak tang urum da pothage ware mafam siam chawe. Yam yunge phajana ka mui stairs yung khala pa le.